Welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we'll be making a delicious beef chow mein noodles recipe. Let's get started. First, we'll need to prepare the ingredients. For the meat, slice 3 pounds of boneless beef. For the marinade, you'll mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, half a teaspoon of black pepper and 2 tablespoons cornstarch. Mix well and marinate. Next, chop up your bell pepper, cabbage, carrots, mushroom, and steamed broccoli. Boil 2 packs of noodles. For the sauce, add 1 cup of oyster sauce, 1 cup soy sauce, 1 cup hoisin sauce, ½ cup sesame oil, and 1 cup peanut butter in a bowl and mix well. Now, let's move on to the cooking process. In a wok or large frying pan, add some oil and your ginger and garlic and fry it over high heat. Add the marinated beef and cook it for about 15 minutes. Stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once cooked, remove the meat from the pan and set it aside. Then, fry your vegetables in the pan. Add a teaspoon of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of chili peppers. Cook for another 5 minutes, stirring constantly until everything is well combined and cooked through. Add your meat, noodles, and sauce into the pan and stir until well combined and tender. And there you have it, a delicious beef chow mein noodles dish. That's sure to impress your family and friends. Enjoy your meal.